Everyone, in this video I want to show you guys how to optimize Opera GX for gaming and how to use the GX game control. So in this way, what we're going to be doing is allowing ourselves to use Opera GX in the background in multiple ways, like watching YouTube, opening a stream, or anything, without having any performance issues whatsoever on the gaming side. That's actually what Opera GX is mainly known for, and why so many gamers use it worldwide. So to begin, the first thing we're going to do is go to our top right where you see the quick access, and we're going to go to the full browser settings. Next up, you want to go to search settings and make sure that hardware, just simply write hardware, and it should pop up in a moment. So as you can see, use hardware acceleration when available. Be sure to turn this off. Now, I only recommend turning this off if you have a low-end PC. If you don't, be sure to keep it on so your browser does not lag at all when you're using it. For me, I'm going to be keeping this on, but if you want the best performance, be sure to turn it off. Next up, we're going to go back to our home page, and we're going to head to the GX control tab right here. From there, we have multiple things. This is the hot tabs killer. This shows what's using your CPU the most and what's using your RAM the most. So for us, you can turn off the ones that have high CPU usage, such as 15 to 20 or even higher. Next up, if you're having internet issues, turn on the network limiter, and you can select at what speed you want it to use stuff. What I'd recommend is putting it at probably 1 megabyte per second. Next up, your RAM limiter. This is very important. I highly suggest that you do not put it at your max, as the browser does not need that. What I suggest is dividing it by 4. So if you have 12 gigabytes of RAM, you want to put it on 3. If you have 16, what is, yeah, so like 5 point like 5, around 5 on 16. If you have 32, just, you know what I mean. So for me, I have 12, so I'm going to be setting it to 3. Next up, our CPU limiter. For everyone, this should not be at the minimum. I highly recommend you put it at 50, as the browser needs that, especially for heavy work. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.